Now you must ask him, how is it like after, because he is a certified scuba diver, how is it like going into the water and shooting again after the sequences he's already done in his other films?
There you go. See, she's doing my job. I love that. See, the focus is you.
How
now.
was it, Matlab?
I mean, because you are, see, I've never done it before, so I've said all my scary stories. So now since you are an experienced certified diver,
I'm an experienced certified diver, so I didn't really have any problems.
How was this shooting experience compared to those underwater shooting experiences?
Katrina, it was very nice. Sorry, I think
No, I love this conversation.
I love this. I'm not for you.
Okay, imagine I am Katrina. I know it's very difficult, and she's asking the questions.
ये कह रहे हो कि I should imagine that you are Katrina.
You answer to him now.
Answer to me now.
Very difficult. You have just completely disoriented my sensibilities and
voices in your head now.
What do you want to know about my scuba diving? It was fun. It was great fun. It was very cold.
I said that compared to those scuba diving underwater shooting experiences, previous films, how was this one?
It was.
Is there any incidents you can tell us about?
Well, I was less concerned about anybody else's safety because the one person that everybody was fearing for was Miss Kaif because she was in the water and she was constantly, wanting to be reassured that everything is, she's going to come out alive. So there was a lot of concern. That's the only difference.
That means she was the center of attention.
Reassured. Please explain that to me.
Reassured.
Wanting to be reassured. How was I wanting to be reassured? I was either getting beaten by waves, or I was almost drowning under the water, or I was clinging on to you for dear life. So how was I wanting to be reassured?
I know. There's a big complaint जो इनके पास है. इन्होंने कहा कि जब वो बाइक से गिरी थी, उनको चोट-वोट लगा, पर आपने उनका ध्यान नहीं रखा और बॉयज ने इनका ध्यान नहीं रखा.
ध्यान रखा, लेकिन first we made sure that the bike is okay. Once the bike was okay, then we were completely very concerned. We did all that we could.
It's charming. It's charming.
Very charming.
See, because the bike was not as strong. Yeah, she is a very strong girl. इनको आप अगर sympathy दो, then she'll get angry. She's a very, very, self-made. तो see.
ऋतिक रोशन, फरहान अभय, बाइक राइड पर किसको आप ले जाना चाहेंगे और क्यों?
God, your questions are very special. I don't know. But that's such an uninteresting question. They can all come for a bike ride with me, one after the other.
Enfield is a big bike.
Actually, it is a pretty big bike. I think you could fit three people on there.
Yeah.
4 of you all together?
4, I don't think, but 3 people, I'm pretty sure I could manage.
My God. One more contender on the bike.
No.
अच्छा, ऋतिक, ये कहा जाता है कि आप बहुत perfectionist हैं. We all know about that. तो आप क्या खाते हैं which makes you such a perfectionist?
मैं अंडे खाता हूँ, कभी-कभी थोड़ा चीज खाता हूँ, ब्रोकली खाता हूँ.
और आप स्पेनिश ऑमलेट भी बनाते हैं, मैंने सुना है.
स्पेनिश ऑमलेट नहीं बनाता हूँ. नहीं बनाता.
I think I should start feeding you some more questions. I think the interview was going better when I was feeding you questions.
Absolutely. Okay, now.
No, but frankly, I don't really understand कि ये perfection का tag it means what. मतलब क्या है उसका? I don't really know. I just we all do whatever it takes for us to do to express what is in our minds. तो उसके लिए जितना भी हम कर सकते हैं, we do. And sometimes for me, actors like me take longer time, trying to get it right. So it looks as if he's working harder to get it right. So it's actually the opposite. The people who are actually perfectionists get it easy. The people who have more flaws and take more time कि अरे इसको ठीक करना है, ये खराब हो गया है, तो बैठे हैं बस लगे रहे हैं. तो those people get the tag of being a perfectionist, but it is actually because he's got more flaws to cover up. So it takes longer.
Very deep. Very deep.
Deep का मतलब कि आपको कुछ समझ
पूरा समझ आया.
कुछ समझ में नहीं.
बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ. हम दोनों ने समझ लिया एक ही शॉट में. आपने पहले लाइन में बोला, हम लोग समझ गए. अच्छा, इस जिंदगी में अगर आपको एक रॉक बैंड बनाने का मौका मिला,
बना रही हैं.
बना रही हैं आप?
हाँ.
या? No, गोली दे रहे हैं.
No.
No, I don't know how to play guitar and I don't know how to sing, so it'd be a bit of a
sorry.
strange
That is you want to make a movie.
Yeah.
She's writing a film. She wants to direct a film.
No, I didn't say that either. Actually, if you were listening to what we were saying, I said I wanted to act in a great tragic romance.
You want to act in a great... Which is the film that you want to direct then?
No film.
No film?
No.
See, आप सुनते भी नहीं हैं इनकी बात. देखो.
या तो मैं पागल हूँ या तो ये झूठ बोल रही
है. ये क्या है? ये पागल है कि आप झूठ बोल रही है?
I mean, I may have said it once.
Yeah, देखा.
See? Okay. So if इस जिंदगी में अगर आपको रॉक बैंड फॉर्म करने का मौका मिला, तो बैंड में आपके अलावा किन 3 लोगों को आप लेंगी?
I think Farhan belongs in a rock band. I think Vitik is more for a pop band. Abhay is more for like artistic world music. So I don't belong in a rock band at all. So I think we have no members in this, in this rock band except Farhan.
So you'd be a part of a pop band then?
Yeah,
Be the
actually,
cheerleader.
I don't mind being part of the pop band. I'll start a pop band with him.
रोमांस लड़की के साथ कहाँ बेहतर रहता है, पानी में कि स्काई में?
कहीं पर भी, कहीं पर भी.
What do you think?
कमरे में, बीच पे, गाड़ी में, हवा में, पानी में. अगर कनेक्शन है तो कहीं पर भी.
I think what he's trying to say is not about the place, it's about the person you're with.
Okay, कतरीना, obviously कि इस फिल्म में आप ये तीनों लड़कों के साथ रही हैं. जब 3 लड़के साथ रहते हैं तो क्या ये लड़कियों के बारे में ज्यादा बात करते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
No, I don't think they were doing
Actually, इस sked में I don't think we were talking about girls at all.
that. Yeah, I never heard them talk.
हम लोग actually we were just cracking jokes amongst ourselves.
It was brotherly love. There was a lot of boys' romance going on.
Boys romance.
Yeah, bonding, male bonding.
But that's what he's asking when like males bond, do they talk about girls? I don't think we did talk about girls. That's a very, I think, 15, 16 years old mentality, I think.
Yeah. There's a very cute romance thing about you and Suzanne in a traffic signal. तो उसके बारे में बताइए please.
लंबी कहानी.
छोटा करके बता दीजिए. हाँ.
Okay. Well, कहूँ ना प्यार है में एक sequence था where the boy meets the girl for the first time at a traffic light. कि उसकी गाड़ी आके पार्क होती है and a car comes from, beside him, and that's where the girl and boy see each other for the first time. So when Papa was narrating this scene to me, I got a little, थोड़ा मैं डर गया क्योंकि I thought he has come to know about Suzanne and me at that time, because that's exactly how we had met some 2 or 3 months, more than that, about 10 months earlier. So I said, ये कहानी, or is he trying to like trick me into like finding out, So it was the exact same scene जो पिक्चर में था. That's the exact way that I met Suzanne for the first time. And I saw her and she saw me, and then after that, and we lived in the same area. So Juhu Garden है. तो वहाँ से घर तक, sometimes her car was in front, sometimes my car was in front, sometimes we were passing each other. So I had these, glasses which I quickly hunted for and put them on, give my best profiles and all that. So it was one of those things that actually got translated into the film by coincidence.